Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect a Bigcommerce store to Google Ads. Connecting our store with Google Ads helps us run targeted campaigns, display our products to the right audience, and bring in more traffic and sales. Let's get started. In the Bigcommerce dashboard, we go to Channels. On the left side of the dashboard, we find our channels. Here, we see Channels. From here, we go to add a social channel. We click Add New. Now we see Google. When Google appears, we click Connect. If it shows as disconnected, we click Reconnect. Then we return to Bigcommerce and click Connect. Please wait for a moment. We will now be prompted to connect the Google Merchant account. We connect and choose a Gmail account. Next, we click Continue. It may ask for verification and then another verification. We click Continue. Please read this part carefully. If we agree, we click Continue. Now we accept and wait. If there is an error, check if we already have a Merchant Center account. If we already have a Merchant Center, we can continue. If not, we will need to create a Merchant Center store, which may require a premium plan. Once we enter our Merchant Center information and click Submit, our Bigcommerce store will be connected with Google. Bigcommerce is now connected with Google, so we can set up everything properly. We are ready to launch campaigns and start reaching customers more effectively.